In today's video, I'm going to teach you to pay with Affirm online. If you've ever wanted more flexibility at checkout, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to use Affirm from start to finish, so you can split your purchase into manageable payments with confidence. Begin by shopping on a website that offers Affirm as a payment option. You'll usually see the Affirm logo on product pages or at checkout. Add the items you want to your cart and take a quick moment to confirm the store supports Affirm for the type of purchase you're making. It also helps to note your total with taxes and shipping, since that's what your plan will be based on. When you're ready, head to checkout and select Affirm as your payment method. This tells the store you want to pay over time with Affirm instead of paying the full amount up front. You'll be redirected to Affirm to continue. Next, sign into your Affirm account or create one if you're new. The setup is straightforward. Affirm will ask for a few details to verify your identity and keep your account secure. Make sure your information is accurate and matches your billing details to avoid delays. After that, you'll complete a quick approval process. This is where Affirm checks your eligibility and shows you the payment plans you can choose from. Take your time here. Review the total cost of the purchase, the exact payment amounts, how often payments are due, and any interest or fees if they apply. Pick the plan that fits your budget comfortably and make sure the schedule aligns with your paydays. If the store doesn't list Affirm directly at checkout, you can still pay with Affirm by using the Affirm app to generate a virtual card. In the app, you'll enter the purchase amount, create a one-time card, and then use it like a regular card at checkout on the merchant site. Treat it just like any other card number and complete your purchase as usual. Keep in mind these virtual cards are typically time limited, so use them promptly. Finally, before you place the order, review all your details, double-check your shipping address, the items in your cart, and the payment plan you selected, including the total cost and due dates. When everything looks good, confirm your purchase. You'll receive a confirmation from the store and from Affirm with your plan and payment schedule. And that's it. You can now shop online and pay over time with Affirm. With a few careful checks and the right plan, you'll have a smooth, secure checkout experience every time.